Hello guys, it's another beautiful day. There have been a lot of requests, guys. It seems that people like to trade on 1 minute when it comes to boom and crash. So there have been a lot of requests on simplify this dark cloud strategy into 1 minute. And guys, see, this is what I created for you. This is what I've prepared for you for free, guy. Just uh, watch and enjoy, guys. So let me go direct to this strategy. This is the same dark cloud strategy that we have used in 30 minutes, but I've break it down. I've added some ABCs so that you can be able to trade in 1 minute and come up with the a good result. 1 minute is a lot of spikes, a lot of ups and down. So to be able to succeed or to get the most out of it, you need to have some accuracies. So this strategy is good for 1 minute, as it's the accuracy is good. So let me go direct. When it comes to this, the same applies. We have to follow the same rule. The cloud, there must be the touching of the clouds. When I'm talking about the touch of the cloud, I'm talking about this one. The clouds have to be touched by these bars, these white and blue bars. It has to touch the clouds. After touching the clouds, then it has to change from blue to white. Then when it's changed from blue to white, you know that times that the trend has to change to from buying to sell, then vice versa, from selling to buy. It depends on what of buy indices you are in, boom or in crash. So the same, it has to touch. After touching, then it has to change the color. See, this it was blue, then from blue it has to change to white, saying that the trend is changing from buying to sell. So after touch, we have to look on the second, it's the changing of the color. That is the confirmation. But here again, we are not going to confirm on the PC, though you can also confirm on the PC on the supported resistance. But here we have already simplified. Instead of checking the PC, there is this two line, as you can see here. There is these two lines. There is this white line here, and there is this blue line here. So this line are very crucial to our entries. This tells us when we can enter the trade, because it's not simple that after touch you just enter the trade. No, that is just a confirmation. It's not something which determines to enter or not to enter. No, this is just a confirmation. But these two lines confirm that we have to enter or not. How? In order for you to enter your order, this line has to cross each other downward. You see, and the cross has to occur in here at the top. You see these two lines. After our bars touch the dark clouds, then after it changes from blue to white, then this line has to cross each other downward. There is where you enter your trade. As you can see where I've just cycled here, these two lines, blue and white, they have crossed down each other. There is where you enter your trades. And after they enter your trades, we advise to stay in the trade for 1 up to 5 minutes. You can go up to 10 minutes, but that is on your own risk. But we advise to stay in 1 up to 5 minutes. You see here, in here, our trades will be here. You see, here is where the line has crossed each other downwards. As you can see up there in the market, there is a spike, but don't worry about that spike, as the market will sure come down. So here, let's say we'll have entered our trade here. Let me show you. This line crossed each other here. So we'll have entered our trade there. So the spike will occur, but I think that spike occurred after 5 minutes candles have already finished. But if you wish to stay more than that, expect the spike, but those spike will not affect you. But I don't like spike. That's why I prefer to stay 1 up to 5 minutes. Unless otherwise I have confirmed it. It's clear confirming that up to 10 minutes there might not be a spike. But I don't like spike myself. That's why I'm advise you to stay 1 up to 5 minutes. So that's how it goes. Let me show another setup. For this setup, don't keep on trading. You have to get a clear confirmation. Don't be caught with this. Yeah, another confirmation. This here, this line crossed each other here. This is another confirmation, and you can see how long we could run the market. Yes. Let's go to see. Don't trade every opportunity you are seeing. For this, you have to be patient, man. And this is the secret of this game. Patient always pays. You see, there is a lot of ups and down. So it's better you can wait for the clear. You see, okay, here we go. See this. This is the clear setup, man. This is the clear setup here. The line have crossed each other downward. See what is happening. Okay, see what is happening. Dish. All these pips would have ate. All these pips here. The line has crossed here. So all these pips could have ate downwards. Okay, this is the goodness of this strategy. See here again, clear here. The line has crossed each other downwards. Guys, I'm talking about these two lines, the blue and the white one. Don't confuse yourself. Then after crossing each other downwards, there must be a touching of this bar. These two bars has to touch the dark clouds, the blue and the white. It has to change from blue to white. Then you sell. The line has crossed each other. You enter your trade. Boom. You have this. Don't be greedy by see all this movement. Don't stay for. Don't look for this big trend. Don't look for this roll. No, you stay 1 to 5 up to 10 maximum. You get out of the market. Don't wait for all this running. That will be a greed, and it will be riskier for you. Don't be greedy. Take what you have to take and stay out of the market. The market is not your friend. Here again. Sometimes we'll have here again. It touches. See, touches the clouds. Change from blue to white. The line have crossed each other downward. Take your trade. 5 minutes. Stay out of the market. Okay. So that is for boom 500. Let's see for crash. Maybe crash 1000. Then you can see what we have here. Here we have another confirmation here. This does not touch our clouds, but as an experienced, I could have taken this trade because I know why. I have experience of this strategy, so I could take this. But for you, don't, because you still have to master this before you start taking those kind of trade. You have to master this. So you just be patient. You'll have your here. You'll have your setup here, guys. It touches our dark clouds. The blue and white lines cross each other upwards. For crash, you buy 1 to 5 minutes. Stay out of the market. Then we kill, guy. We kills. Here again. It touches our dark clouds. The blue line has crossed each other upwards. Blue and white one. Then we take the trade here. Could have entered here. 1 to 5 candles. We could have been out of the market, and even this spike would have not catched us. Even if we could have catched us, still we could hold the trades and we could have all this. But don't wait for all this running, friends. It is dangerous. I know. That's why I'm telling you. It is very dangerous, because not all the time you will have that. Again, this, okay, this one, the best. So guys, this is how. Okay, see again, you could have a clear setup. If you are patient, you can get a clear setups and trade free without any stress, any fearing of being caught by spark. See this one, And I'm advising guys, you better wait for the clear setup like this instead of running for those uncleared setup. It will keep losing your money. You better wait for clear setup like this. If you get clear setup like this, let's say 5 setups or 4 or 6 setup in a day, clear setup like this, you will get a good money and stay out of the market. That is good for you, and that will advance your trading career. So you see, it has touched the hour, dark clouds, it has changed from white to blue, it buys. Then poof, you see the black and blue line crossed each other upwards, 5 candles there of the market. So that's how this strategy works, guys. But guys, one thing I want to remind you, don't be lazy trader. Some people, after getting the strategy like this, they will relax, they will wait for the cross, they will not do some homework of researching, get to know the market psychology, get to have patience, uh, risky management. They forgot all those and keep waiting for the strategy to work for them. Don't be less like that, because always we keep advance on this strategy. We reach the time maybe after 1 year, after 2 years, 3 years, the strategy, because markets tend to change. That's why we also advance our strategy. So we have also to to know the market psychologies and to get some adjustment or whatever. Don't stay cool and calm and you say that this is alpha and omega. It's not alpha and omega. But for currently, I'm confirming that this is the best. The best. If you follow the rules, patient and all whatever, you get to get the most out of it. This is the good and best strategy currently that I'm using and give me the money, guy. The thing is patient, risk management, eh? All those ABCs of trading you have to have, and do your research. Don't be a lazy trader. Wait for the indicator to do for you. Wait for the strategy only to do for you. No, you have also to know the market psychology. Eh? You have also to know. You need to have that marketing flowing on your nerves, that market instinct flowing on your nerves, so that you can be a good trader, and you can be able to also create your own strategy. Because create your own strategy, you need at least to know the market psychology. You need to know the price action of of this kind of volatilities, crash and booms. You need to know all those things. You will also be able to create your own strategy. But if you also sit and relax, guys, you will be a lazy trader, and the market does not need a lazy trader. So thank you, guys. Ciao ciao. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe. I insist, subscribe this channel, because this channel will give you the best out of the bucket. We have a lot of channels give you a lot of strategies, but it does not work out. But this one, it will give you a best strategy, of which, if you will be patient, if you follow the rules, you don't rush in the market, guys, tell you will be profitable. You will be very profitable. So thank you, guys. Like, comment. So ciao. This is Sunday FX. Sign out.